In this video, I'm gonna show you how to figure out yourself to use Capcut official application or third-party application. Install Capcut from Play Store. If not available, try to download it from APK Mirror or APK Combo. So use VPN if Capcut not available in your country. I suggest you to use UK or United States. It's up to you. Now you can see this Capcut clone application. I think you know how you install yourself this application on your mobile and how you redirected here to watch this video. I suggest you to install clone and the official one to make a workaround to run this application smoothly. Please connect to the VPN if it is not available in your country. Please open official Capcut application and select new project and click library part. Here you can see I'm facing no network issues and also security pop-up in official app itself. In order to fix that, I have to clear the app from the recent tab and open again and open the library part, and again I have to check until the security pop-up not shows in the official application itself. If it stops shows you the security pop-up, then we can proceed to work on this application to edit our videos safely until we close the app from the recents again. Some people asking about templates option. So if you are lucky, if you don't need any VPN to run this application, then probably you can see template options at the bottom of the screen. Now I'm trying to use voice isolation and other features in this application from official Capcut. Those are free application stuff. So and this works. So you can export this simply on the official Capcut version itself, and later you can edit these in clone build so that you can complete your project. So be careful. I suggest you to install the clone build and install the official build from Play Store or APK Combo or APK Mirror so that you can make your work on official few parts and remaining pro parts or another parts on the clone build so that you can complete your project safely. These are my final words. You have to use clone build and official app, and you have to figure out yourself to manage between both these clone build and official app to edit and complete your project. And if you have bugs like no network issue, clear the app from the recent tab and open again, and if possible use this application clone build in multi-space application as I said in the previous video. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.